Hi, I'm Val, and I'm a technology journalist as well as the host of the GadgetGuy channel. So in order to cover technology, I often have to travel quite a bit, even all over the world for the latest announcements. But I've got a big editing job on right now, and I need to take this with me on the road. The problem is I love my dual monitor setup here where I'm super productive, but I'm not going to tuck that big boy under my arm. So a great solution is a portable display. And I've got the new Espresso 15-inch here. This is brand new. So let's unbox it and check out what's inside. And I'll explain to you how it's a great way of keeping productive on the road. All right, let's open it up here. So this is the Espresso 15-inch, meaning it has a 15-inch display. So we'll pull that out here so you can see that. Now, the beauty of this is it's really feeling nice and solid, like it doesn't flex at all. This is CNC'd aluminum or aluminum, and actually stuck to the back already is the Stand Plus. So this attaches to the back of the display with a magnet. It's really solid, and this will extend outwards and give you a lot of different height options, but I'll show you this more when we set it up. Also inside the box, we've got a cleaning cloth here to keep your display nice and smudge-free, as well as the signature purple USB-C cable. So this will carry both power and data, and this is really important because it keeps everything simple, and you really only have to have one cable to connect everything together, so no messy power cables. Well, now that it's out of the box, it really is so easy to get the Espresso 15 set up. It just uses one single USB-C cable, and that's for both power and for the video signal, so you don't have to mess around with extra heavy power bricks or additional cables to get it up and running. Also, it feels great. The design is sleek and slim with aluminum and glass. I mean, it looks great against my laptop, and I'm sure that it'll match lots of premium devices as well. The stand is super sturdy, and it has different orientations where you can actually rotate the screen so it's in portrait mode or landscape mode. With the Stand Plus's fold-out extension base, you can actually position your display in more comfortable and ergonomic angles, and this is super important for when you're working on the go. I like how there's no buttons on the Espresso 15. It keeps things nice and sleek. There's actually the Flow app, which helps you manage the settings. And this could be things like setting up the orientation of each of the displays, as well as setting custom workspaces. Also, there's an auto rotation feature where it figures out whether it's portrait or landscape and adjusts for you. And it'll give you a prediction of how much battery life your laptop has with the display connected. It actually doesn't draw very much power, just about 5 to 7 watts, so you won't see a big difference with the display attached. It's also one of the most thinnest and lightest portable displays on the market. It's just 865 grams, or about 2 pounds, or 5.3 millimeters, or 0.2 of an inch. So it's easy to tuck under your arm and take with you. Speaking of which, I think it's great for hotel rooms, maybe shared workspaces, in a cafe, or just about anywhere that you're on the road and you need to get some work done. So when I'm traveling, I need reliable tech that's not going to let me down. There are cheaper imitations out there for portable displays, but with the Espresso 15, this is a premium product with premium features. For example, you're getting a color-calibrated monitor right out of the box. It's made from high-quality materials, and they're great ergonomics with the Stand Plus, especially how it helps you raise the monitor up even higher. The Espresso 15 is on sale now, and also check out their 17-inch and 4K monitors. They're really cool too. But for me, look, when I'm traveling, having that dual display set up with me on the go, no matter where I am, really does help my productivity, and I wouldn't want to leave without having one tucked under my arm. So when it comes to your productivity buzz, you definitely need an Espresso.